Hi friends, Pastor, this is K from 360 Reader. It's time to learn how to transfer photos from iPhone to Windows computer. Importing photos from iPhone to Windows has become pretty simple and straightforward. So whether you have switched from Mac to Windows or want to free up plenty of storage on your iOS device, you can choose to move all of your images and videos at a secure location on your Windows computer. That said, let's get started. First and foremost, ensure that iTunes app is installed on your Windows computer. Besides, you should also make sure that iTunes is updated on your computer. After that, connect your iPhone to your Windows computer using a supported USB cable. Now turn on your iPhone and ensure that it is unlocked. If prompted, make sure to trust the computer to proceed. Next up, click on the Start button. Next, open the Photos app on your Windows computer. Next up, click on the Import button at the upper right corner of the user interface. Then choose from a USB device option. After that, be sure to follow the usual instructions. Based on your needs, you can choose the items that you want to import. And finally, you have to select the preferred location where you want to save your photos. And that's about it. So that's how you can easily transfer photos and videos from your iPhone to your Windows 11 computer. Now that you know how it works, make the most of it to easily free up a lot of storage on your iOS device. If you found this video helpful, do like and share it, and I'll see you in the next video with more such handy tips and tricks. Till then, stay safe and have a good time. Bye bye.